morning students. Today what we will do in this video, today we will study what I have written, past continuous, okay, and future continuous. And yesterday what we have done present continuous. So today we will do past continuous, future continuous. So open your notebooks everyone, sharpen your pencil and write today's date beta. Write today's date. Okay. So let us start. Now see, first of all, what do you mean by continuous? Yesterday also I explained an activity or an action which is not completed at the time when we were speaking. The work was in process. Okay. An action which is to be in process only, which is not completed. Okay. Now past continuous is, see, let us take first past continuous. Okay. Now what is past continuous? Right there, an action that was going on at a particular time in past. Okay, or I can say past continuous express an action that was going on at a particular time in past. That means at that time when we were talking, at that time the work was not completed. Okay, it was still in process. Okay. Now another thing, or you can say refers to an uncompleted action. Uncompleted action we can say na. Okay. Anyone you can write that express an action that was going at a particular time in past or refers to an uncompleted action. That means at that time when we were talking, at that time the action was not completed. Okay, it was still in process. Okay. Now another thing, how do we do? Now how? See, next you can write structure. Okay, structure of past continuous. So you can write, first is was verb plus verb, and in the verb what you will add? Ing. What you will add? Ing. So what you will use? Was, were, and in the verb ing. Okay? Clear everyone? So till here note down everyone. And another thing now, see, in the verb ing rules will remain the same. Like yesterday we all have discussed the ing rules. What were the ing rules? Anybody can tell me? Let us revise once again. See, ing rules. Okay, if the last letter is E, okay, like for example, come, last letter is E. When we will join ing, he will be cut down. Okay, so how it will be formed? Coming. So E is cut. Okay, and if before the last letter, if vowel sound is there, next is vowel sound before the last letter, like for example sit. Before T, vowel sound is there, so T will double. when we will join ing, T will double. So how it will form? Sitting. Okay. And next, simple. Okay. That is to join ing. Like if simple is there, consonant n is there, then just write plain. Remember the rules? Just take a look. Okay. Next is now was and were. Do you remember or is there name? See, beta is in present continuous. Yesterday we have studied of is am are, है ना? Now is with one, with I am, and when more than one is there, then are. Okay. Here, so is and am. That means you can say he, she, it, or I. Okay. Or when noun is one. When noun and pronoun is one, then we use these. Okay. When noun or pronoun is more than one, then we use this. So your is am. That means he, she, it. It will change into was. What it will change into? Was. And are, with are, what we are using? They is there, we is there. That means more than one. So it will change into were. But it will change into were. Okay. Now see, so was and were rules. You can write there when noun or pronoun is one. Like for example, he, she, it, I. Okay, or any noun, that means any one name is there. Okay, so what you will use there, beta? Was. What you will use? Was. Okay, when noun and pronoun, noun or pronoun, when it is more than one. Okay, like for example, they, our, what we will use, beta? Were. Okay, our or we, what we will use? Were. So your is and am will change into was and are will change into were. Okay, is the rule clear to everyone? So I am holding for a minute. Write down fast, beta. Note it down fast. Okay. All of you have noted down it? First tell me once again, I am revising it. What is past continuous? An action that was going on at a particular time in past. That means an uncompleted action. The work is not completed. It is still in process. Another thing, how do we form the structure? Was, were, and with the verb what we will join? Ing, to show that the action is still going on. It is not completed. Okay, and what are the rules of ing? If last letter is E, then when we will join ing, E will be cut. And if before the last letter vowel sound is there, last letter will be double. See? Okay? Either if consonant is there, no E is there, okay, then plain. Okay, this is with consonant you can say. Okay, And was, were, what are the rules of was, were? If noun or pronoun one is there, is one. Okay? If you are talking about one person, one animal, one thing, then what we will use, beta? Was. What we will use? Was. If noun or pronoun more than one is there, whether they are two or how many, 3, 10, 50, how many, that means more than one is there, what we will use? Were. Like we, they, are. Okay? Or you can understand by this, your is, am will change into was and are will change into were. Okay? Clear? Now let us do the exercise. All have noted down this? And where it is used? Beta, you can write there, it is used with the simple past. Your past continuous is used with the simple past. So you can write here. Normally it is used with simple past. Okay? Okay. Now we have done your past continuous. Now let us come on to the future continuous. So write here, beta. Future. See the word it reveals. What do you mean by future? That means our future. That means the action is not been done till yet. It is going to be done. The action is going to be done. जो आपके आने वाले कल में होगा. ठीक है? Of future, everybody of us just want to know what is in the future. Okay? So you can write here. Now what is future continuous? Used to express, okay, what will be happening okay at a particular time in future. So you can write here, used to express what will be happening at a particular time in future. See, I told you yesterday also, continuous that means it is taking a period of time. एक period of time जो आपका कुछ work जो ले रहा है, that comes in continuous. So you can say used to express what will be happening at a particular time in future. ठीक है, कुछ time period जो है future में आपका किस चीज में डाइवर्ट हो रहा है, दैट इट टेल्स. ओके, इट टेल्स अबाउट दैट एक्शन. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सी विंटर ब्रेक इज कमिंग. इफ यू आर ट्रेवलिंग फॉर 2-3 days, so you can say like my father will be traveling to Pune. Now Pune is not a near distance, it will take at least your 2 days. So एक period of टाइम जो है आपका लिया है ना, that you can see. Okay, that comes in this. Okay, now write here structure beta. What is the structure in this? Okay. Will be, shall be, and with the verb, what you will add? ing. Okay. With the verb, what you will add, beta? ing. Okay. Now all of you know will and shall is used in future. Okay. So will be, shall be with the verb ing. Okay. Will and shall is used for the future. Say will where we are 90% sure that the action may be or may not be. ठीक है, जहाँ पे आप 50-50 कर सकते हो, 50% श्योर है कि एक्शन हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता. Shall be used sorry beta, shall be used where we are 100% sure. Okay. So when you are 100% sure, when you are talking of yourself, right? हम I के बारे में बात करते हैं तब हम 100% श्योर होते हैं. Clear? So note down it fast. I'm holding for a minute. Note it down. So again I am representing future continuous express what will be happening at a particular time in future. फ्यूचर में क्या होगा ये आपका बताता है. ठीक है. और इसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसे होता है? विल बी, शैल बी और वर्ब के साथ क्या लगता है? आईएनजी के रूल्स. आईएनजी के रूल्स वंस अगेन लेट अस रिवाइज. ओके. फर्स्ट, अगर लास्ट लेटर आपका ई है आईएनजी रूल्स में, अगर लास्ट लेटर आपका ई है लाइक राइट, व्हेन वी विल ज्वाइन आईएनजी, ई क्या हो जाएगा आपका? कट. ई क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? कट. और अगर लास्ट लेटर से बिफोर लेटर अगर वॉवल साउंड है तो लास्ट लेटर क्या हो जाएगा? डबल. ओके. लास्ट लेटर क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? डबल. ओके. और अगर कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल एनी यू कैन टेक पार्क, कॉन्सोनेंट है तो सिंपल करो बेटा पार्किंग, नथिंग, नो चेंज, ओनली जस्ट सिंपली एट आईएनजी. ओके. नाउ हियर फॉर विल एंड शैल देयर इज नो पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट गिवन, जस्ट this only. With 100% sure you have to use shall. Okay. Otherwise will. Okay. Or you can say with I. With I we can use shall because we are 100% sure of ourselves. है ना? So there you can use shall. Okay. Now all of you have noted down na? Let us do one exercise of the continuous only. Okay. So right here only continuous tense. Okay. In continuous tense write one exercise. Fill in the blanks using the verbs as directed. fill in the blanks using the verb as directed. Directed, that means in the bracket it will be given how you have to form. That means you have to form in present continuous, past continuous or future continuous. Okay. So whatever the changes are there, that we have to do. Okay. So write your first sentence beta. Like I dash run to catch the train. Now see, we have to form in present continuous, in which we have to form present. Present, that means your is MR. Okay. With I what you are using? Am. What we are using beta? Am. Now in run, when we speak run, see, before N, what is there? Vowel sound is there. So N will be double. Okay. Clear? So I am running to catch the train. Okay. Right, everyone? Now see your second. The farmers harvest the crop in April. Now, like for example, you have to use here future. Future continuous. Okay. Now the farmers dash the crop in April. All of you know, in the month of April, your harvest festival is there, na? So that is 100% sure. So what you will use here? Shall be. And with the verb ing, it is consonant. So just simply write harvesting. Okay. So the farmers shall be harvesting the crop in April. Okay. Now next is your